Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get latest video notification.
The 5 most in-demand programming languages of 2018. Number 5, C# went down slightly in demand this year. C# is an object-oriented programming language from Microsoft designed to run on Microsoft's .NET platform and to make development quicker and easier than Microsoft's previous languages. C number 7.2 came out in November, adding several new features geared towards avoiding unnecessary copying. C#, like C++, is heavily used in video game development, so any aspiring video game developers would do well to learn both of them. Number 4, C++ changed very little in popularity from early 2017 to now. An extension of the old-school programming language, C++ is usually used for system, application software, game development, drivers, client-server applications and embedded firmware. Many programmers find C++ complex and more difficult to learn and use than languages like Python or JavaScript, but it remains in use in many legacy systems at large enterprises. Number 3, JavaScript, the grandfather of programming languages, is roughly as popular today as it was in our last blog post. That's no surprise to us. JavaScript is used by over 80% of developers and by 95% of all websites for any dynamic logic on their pages. Several front-end frameworks for JavaScript such as React and AngularJS have huge future potential as IoT and mobile devices become more popular, so we doubt we'll see JavaScript drop in popularity anytime soon. Number 2. Python grew in popularity by about 5,000 job postings over 2017. It is a general-purpose programming language used for web development and as a support language for software developers. It's also widely used in scientific computing, data mining and machine learning. The continued growth and demand for machine learning developers may be driving the popularity of Python. Number 1. Java decreased in popularity by about 6,000 job postings in 2018 compared to 2017, but is still extremely well established. Java is over 20 years old, used by millions of developers and billions of devices worldwide, and able to run on any hardware and operating system through the Java Virtual Machine. All Android apps are based on Java and 90% of Fortune 500 companies use Java as a server-side language for back-end development. Java Enterprise Edition 8 and Java 9 both launched in September 2017 as the Eclipse Foundation took over managing Java EE from Oracle.
Please give like and subscribe our channel.